certain say sure we say we ain't shit. We don't deserve nothing. We not sure we don't know goodness nor graciousness. We don't feel just grow fucked up. It madness to me. Me don't know. I feel love Voodoo.
So yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know Prettiidon. Yes, massive people. I don't know Prettiidon always I go up against the Prime Minister. Yes, massive. And I don't know she always talk facts. Yes, massive people. Yeah, man. So she also make know say why watch her. The Prime Minister legalize voodoo in our country. Obia in our country. And the Prime Minister Andrew Jones legalize voodoo in our country. Yes, massive people. So yeah, massive people. She have a bag of things that talk. I say. Whole heap of things. Yes, massive. About the Prime Minister. So yeah, man, people, make go take a listen and take a look. Please subscribe and like this video, people. Thumbs up. It's my say, take care of yourself, people. Love and unity. Big up on yourself.
Then I him legalize voodoo. Pussy clad. Every year me I wanna be a teacher for them, you know.
Well, I remember one time, you know, everybody, you could not talk about no blood clot, how beyond them thing they in the boss. But from what you mean until I say, boy, them get, if a minute them talk about it,
brother, how be illegal? See a big nose man there legalize Obi a couple years ago. Me bomb buckler, even I think I like me I tell her, I fly. You don't go Google it. The man legalize Obia. Tonga yard. If you never know, say, Obia legal, today is the day, goodness. No, they never what you. This year goes here where this man you have found a pussy hole. You don't hear what the man say. When he get a client, in tie him up and he hire him, you hire your fuck. I show you no know your mother. I want a blood clot. Let me show you. When you gozo and you tie him up, the man gozo and tie up on a bomb clot in a man. Father, no boy can't take a role in your front him. Me not see him. The man goes on him. No boy can't take the leadership from him. Them man they not even have a campaign and him a win. Me I tell you. Alright. Oh no. Them man they high in the Lawrence bad man. Phone look how bomb clad. 30,000 and 100,000 gozo. Fuck a gozo. A man shut out everybody out. And him alone a rain in this bomb clad till him dead. Remember that. This man here, I gonna live like a Siaga age in a father. Gonna have him for the next 30 years. You hear? Me say one time the man done with a bomb buckler, the amount of powder, the amount of oil. No a bomb. Remember, all me know no tie. No matter what the man do, no man. I saw tie go, you know. You see when a girl tie a man, he did it, you know. Every day he thought him blood clot, but he did give him some good cocky. You see when me see so no tie, no matter what the man do, you know me G. I say, I say go man, bro God, you know we love him, cause you know, them man they just different, you know, he clocks them on him foot sick. Them man they would have never tried to violate us certainly. Best leader we have for a long time. Nobody couldn't touch them man. I swear to God. I would me say this is science, this you know. Me said this is science. Me say from me see it. Me say science. Wait till me bucky client, how na client. You see when the man buck, you know? The man goes, yo. Brother, the man blind on a eye from everything. You see next election, landslide. landslide victory. Yeah. Let me tell you, it goes up. You see what me hear dog say? Before election, couple years ago, you know, pussy all them with them Dillaran sign and sitting, you know. I say, the whole Jamaica is gonna be green. Science. Me have all one auntie that we are dieted PNP, you know. From Wappy kill fill up, you know. No matter how much fuck PNP do, you know. I there's some woman there, you know. The rest of life, you know. And you see when the man touch it, the Laran sign and say, me bumbuckler gozo, the whole Jamaica blood clot green in the father. Me say the whole Jamaica green. Me say the man said, me hear the man turn up there and say it. The man say, all about to be green. Hey! When me look on the almanac at Jamaica, the paragraph of Jamaica there, the sentence, when me look on it, me bumbo clad, fully punctuated. Mr. Father, full stop, fully a fuck. Black, blue, black, blue, black. Green! Green! Dillarance! Hey, father. Brother, the man effortlessly beat PNP, the father. Told the man deal with PNP. The man hug up the supporters and I said, don't worry yourself, man. See when the day come, if you put the X, you will know what to do.